I don't think I realized I was living in survival mode until I broke. And not in like a dramatic way or in like a movie kind of way. I just sat in my room, stared at the wall, and thought, is that all there is? Waking up exhausted, going to work, numbing myself with distractions, feeling like every little thing was a fight just to function. I wasn't living, I was literally just getting through. Let's talk about it. Feel like a bird. You keeping me happy, you getting me deep. Ask me who my surgeon. Gotta say the word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love it. I love it. Goddamn, I love it. Hey guys, what is poppin'? It's your girl Twanaldn, aka T, whatever's been the day, and I am back with another video. If you're new here, then welcome. I am your glow up bestie, and we talk about everything growing and growing on this channel. So if that is your vibe, definitely consider subscribing to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. I love you to the moon and back, as you already know. Now, let's talk. If you've been feeling like you're always behind, like you're just coping, you're not crazy and you're not lazy. You're probably just in survival mode. Now hear me out. Sometimes we stay in there for so long, it starts to feel normal, but it's far from it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the mindset shift that finally helped me to get out of this space. And this is not because I have it all figured out, far from it, as you can tell from my channel, but because I remember how it felt to be in that space, like it was yesterday. And maybe my story will help you to feel less stuck in yours. So let's talk about it. So I'm going to be touching on 4 main mindset shifts that I use to get me out of survival mode and really start flourishing in my life. So starting with number 1, productivity equals worth. For the longest time, I felt like if I wasn't doing something useful, I was wasting my time. Even the smallest things like rest made me feel so guilty. But here's the truth. Rest isn't a reward, it's a requirement. Survival mode tricks you into thinking being exhausted is just how life works. But that is far from the truth. Shifting that mindset, realizing that I deserved rest simply because I exist, not because I earned it, changed everything. Shift number 2, not everything is urgent. Survival mode makes you feel like you're on fire. Reply now, fix it now, be perfect now. Until one day where I actually paused and asked myself, would this even matter 3 months from now? That question alone helped me to just breathe, literally. Not everything needs an immediate response, and that's not to say there's not things that do, because obviously there are very important things that you might have to get done here and now, but it doesn't mean everything needs to be done here and now. And you need to kind of pause and be able to see what is an immediate factor, which is a burning fire, you can say, and which is something that could be done maybe tomorrow or the next day or even a couple of days. It helps to add that pause and helps you to kind of get your pace back. Okay. The third mindset shift that helped me to get out of survival mode was I am safe now. This one hits very hard for me. I ain't gonna lie to you. Because survival mode isn't just mental, it's also emotional. It's how your body holds stress. And trust me, my body was holding a lot of it. I literally had to start telling myself out loud that I am safe, I am okay, and I am not in danger. Even if the stress wasn't life-threatening, my body couldn't tell the difference. I was just always in fight or flight mode. So repeating that, or repeating these phrases, became my anchor. A way to remind my nervous system that I didn't have to be on high alert all the time. Mindset shift number 4. Healing doesn't always feel good. Sorry, not sorry. I feel like some of us through social media have got this kind of concept that healing is going to feel like sunsets and journaling and in the park and all those kind of things. And that is, I'm so sorry to say, but that's actually far from the truth. In all honesty, it's awkward. Yeah, it's bloody awkward. It can be quiet, boring, and even lonely. Some days could look like as simple as getting up, brushing your teeth, and making sure you don't go into a spiral. Boring, right? But what this mindset taught me is that I had to stop waiting for motivation and start choosing maintenance. Because sometimes surviving is part of the healing, and that actually counts too. So, I ain't gonna lie to you. I know that girl stuck in survival mode doesn't need a 5-step morning routine. She needs space. She needs grace. A soft place to land. And maybe this video was for you. And if you have found it informative or helpful, please let me know down in the comments. I am here to reassure you that you are not behind at any stage in your life, whether you're in your early 20s, mid 20s, or late 20s like myself. You are not broken. Far from it. You're just tired, and that's okay. If you are in the middle of it right now, I want you to know that the slowest progress is still progress. The tiniest shift can cause the biggest ripple. You deserve to feel safe in your life, and you will, because I've got you. You're not here to survive, you are here to live. Powerful, right? I know. I told you I got you, you know what I'm saying? So that is all I have for you on today's episode. If you like this kind of content, definitely consider subscribing for more. And if you haven't already, definitely follow me on my other platforms, as I post on there every single day. Whereas on YouTube, I only post here once a week. And I will definitely, most definitely catch you in my next one. Love you. Bye.